volunteering. And then in the second week, Claire asked me to bring my camera. So I had already fully immersed myself in the situation. So then I felt like I was being way more authentic with what I was capturing, instead of just being there for a day, not really understanding what's going on, and then just shooting aimlessly, hoping to get a good photo. So I think creating, like, always making sure I'm photographing something I'm passionate about is how to get like a strong image.
Is it almost like if you weren't there with your camera, you would be there anyway?
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
That was very good, Khan. Yeah, you can tell he's the more creative one. Yeah.
Occasionally I have a good thought.
Yeah.